What do you think of when you hear the word budget? For a lot of people, it brings up words like stress, restriction, or even confusion. But it doesn't have to be that way. I saved up and bought my first car while working a minimum wage job, and I want to show you how I made it happen. In this video, I'll break down what a budget really is, guide you step by step on how to create one, and share a few simple money management tips that could make a big difference for you. Think of budgeting as your financial GPS that helps guide you toward your goals. With a budget, you can plan for your current needs, future expenses, and unexpected bills, and even tackle old debt. What are some of your financial goals? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Meet Sunny Cruz. Sunny is a tour guide earning $1,250 a month in take-home pay, and she needs a budget. Let's help Sunny figure it out step by step. First, we allocate her expenses based on percentages of her income. Rent. Typically, rent should be around 30% of your take-home pay. For Sunny, that's $375. Utilities, around 10% of her income, which gives her $125. Food, about 15%, totaling $187.50. Transportation, debt, and savings each gets 10%, or $125 per month. Clothing, entertainment, and miscellaneous expenses, these take up 5% of her income, leaving her with $62.50 each month. Now, you might be thinking, how is Sunny supposed to find housing for just $375 a month? The truth is, she might need to explore options like subsidized housing, living with family or roommates, or using food assistance programs like pantries or SNAP benefits to make ends meet. Budgeting is all about balancing priorities and making the most of what you have, even in challenging situations. What's one thing you'd like to save for, and how do you think a budget could help you get there? Now, I'll walk you through 4 popular budgeting methods: the traditional budget, envelope method, 50/30/20 rule, and zero-based budget. Traditional budget. This method involves tracking your income and expenses to monitor your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Envelope method. You allocate your money into categories like groceries, bills, and entertainment. Then, you withdraw the total amount in cash, divide it into envelopes labeled for each category, and spend only what's in the envelope. 50/30/20 rule. This simple framework suggests spending 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and saving or investing the remaining 20%. Zero-based budget. With this approach, every dollar of your income is assigned a job, whether it's for expenses, savings, or debt, so your balance is zero by the end of the month. Find the method that works best for you and your lifestyle. Have you tried any of these budgeting methods? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this.